Okay guys, let's be it time. Let me show you around the job and explain what's going on. Okay, right, so bathroom here, closet here. There's going to be a gypsum wall here, like a partition wall, and the bed against here, looking out at the pool. So what we're doing now, so it's a compound system. So basically the house and the boundary wall is part of one. So it's not a big build. It's only 100 square meters downstairs, 50 square meters upstairs. And what the guys are doing now is putting the lintel in for the doorway. So there's a fixed panel there, and the sliding door here. On this one, it's just a sliding door. On this one, it's a fixed panel, sliding door, and you've got 50 centimeter up to the pool. This is actually designed by the client, not my design, but it's a nice design. Over there is the pump room. This is going to be the barbecue area. This is like a sand pit area for the kids to play in if they want, but can be changed later on to wherever they want. I've done that all in the morning. So what Pi's doing with the team leader for the block, working out for the doorway, double door here. And it's got like a porch system up on the top. So let's have a look in. So I've got the roofing team in, concrete block team. There's a door ready to go in here, and a door frame. Okay, boy. Alright, so this is, yeah, it's a concrete gutter system. So it's a hidden, so on here you got a hidden roof system, so you won't see it. I'm just wondering what I'm doing here because I haven't seen my video. Alright, so they're bolting the steel in there as part of the frame, but it also gets tied in, and you see the steel coming up there. So the second part of the steel that slopes off ties into that. Right, so it comes down and through the wall and down. The whole boundary wall, or the outside wall, external wall, is double blocked with a 2-inch gap, A gap, which by now you all know the way I like to do things. Come up the staircase to the second floor. Basically two rooms here. So one room there, one room here, bathroom. Long window here. Yeah, that's an open window. The one on the staircase is a fixed window. So when I come to do the block work around there, there'll be a fixed window there. Two open windows there, long windows. There's a window above the shower area there. And this will be the view. Diving board, eh? So yeah, so basically the whole house is built into the compound. So from the house, normally you'll have a boundary wall going all the way around, but this is all part of it. I mean, he does own the land up there. He owns about nearly 3 meters going over that way. He owns the land there, but he's thinking about purchasing the land here. I would recommend that he buys the land, then stops anyone from building on there. You know, so the rest there, down there, it's all going to be grass. Yeah. So what they're doing on this, so the whole wall inside is all smooth, and then you actually see the columns on the outside as part of the design. You know, apart from the pump room, which you don't really see, apart from the temple there. Got a swimming pool here. You have a spout that comes out in water into the pool. This is a skimmer pool. It's not an infinity edge pool. It's only a small 8x4 pool. Simple design. This is the downstairs bathroom. Hot water system, all downstairs. But upstairs it's not, it's only for the shower. Hot shower, and the rest is cold water. On this one we've got the electrical supply under the stairs, the consumer unit, so you don't actually see it. So I'll explain a bit more for them that don't really understand. Right, this is PPR pipe, not the PVC for your cold, PPR for your hot water system. Okay, you've got to use that. We do actually weld the joints on that, which you'll see here. So that's all welded. Oop. Not fixed in yet. So the hot water tank goes in here. Window there, window there. Got to fit the cable in for the electric for that aircon. Aircon goes on that side. So this is the room. This is the only room with aircon. On this, then we've had the floor poured for the pool, the pump room, the walls going up now, the by area, the wall is actually 3 meters high, the entrance to the property is here. So they're doing the blockwork on here, that's going up, so you don't actually see this roof. So there's a parapet going all the way around here on this floor, and then there's like a Japanese gazebo style roof that's going on top of here that comes out to here to create shade. So everyone's on lunch at the moment. So And we're getting the socks installed, your face fix installed. Got the systems all done and steel fastened to it. Again, render right the way up. So the ceiling height on here is 270. They're just about finished. They've got poured this corner in, reinforcement for there. We've got the beam on there to do for the doorway. Let me show you around a bit more in a moment. So what Pi's doing now, she's doing the clips for the meshwork for the block and concrete. This is our roofing guy. So we've got to finish this off here. Just in for the hot water. Got to finish off today. Hot water system in here. So you're going to mix it for your shower, mix it for your hand basin, mix it for the bath. Freestanding bath here. The pipework's all got to be boxed in. So you can see the mark here, there's a wall going here. So you can walk around either side of the bed. On here, this is like a single block 50 centimeter up, and there's a double block coming out here, and there's a spout water feature here. So I've just got to sort out with the client how high he wants it. There you go, I'll show you a bit more in a moment. Okay, so the parapet's done here. I finished pouring that now. So I just went on the front parapet. Steelworks for the roof's done. I'll show you that. So now I just finished fitting the hot water pipe. I'll show you in here. There you go. It's all done, leveled and measured. Clean that off a bit. And now we're putting on the mesh, so when they render it doesn't crack. And put steering in here just so when they render, easy to clean out. Putting the post-work in for the staircase and for this wall here.